gonna be doing this apartment tour. I've been living here for a year already. I just renewed my lease back in September, and I've been living here since last year around this time in September 2024. So I'm gonna give you guys a little rundown of my apartment. And before we get started, I know I will get like little negative comments because of how I live and things like that. Like my home doesn't look luxury for a lot of people. They would think like, oh, this and this, like how a person is living. At least I have a roof over my head and the kids, so I am blessed. And on top of that, I'm also humble because I'm able to provide for what I need for me and my kids, and that's all that matters to me. So let's get started. Let's go. Right here is the front door, and I do have like a dupe ring camera doorbell right outside. And I'm Asian, I'm Filipino, so no outside shoes that goes in the apartment. This is the maintenance cleaning closet that I have, storage. I don't use it for clothes and stuff, but it's mostly like cleaning supplies and whatnot. I leave my bag on there because it's faster for me to just leave and go, along with my key right here. Okay, so this is basically it. I have like a shoe thing right here because that's the main shoes we usually wear in and out. And I have a luggage pack because I'm going out of town with my family, so I got that ready. And yeah, that's basically a cleaning closet. You turn and this is my living room. I have my whole computer, electronic stuff right there, Polaroid camera, everything, controller for my iPad when I play Call of Duty, controller for my PC when I play my Xbox and I need to renew my membership for that. This mushroom blanket is from Target. I love it and I keep it there all the time. It's really comfy. Along with my couch right here is from my mom. She passed it down to me and they don't use it anymore, and she got it from Amazon. Table is from IKEA. I don't know, it's wooden. It doesn't match with my whole aesthetic of my apartment, but it works well. This bamboo tree is from IKEA as well. And then I have like little knickknacks behind my couch, and some of them are from gifts, some of them are from Target. And this candle is lit up like battery wise, but I need to change the batteries, so yes. And yep, and I also have a projector. The reason why I have that because I do not have a TV and I like to watch on my projector. So I put the TV in the kids room and I like to have movie nights with my kids, so I have that right there. And Lego set is from my previous classmate that gave it to me when my mom passed away, and I love them for that. Thank you for them for doing that. And this is it basically. That's my couch. And also I kind of don't want to show the outside part. This door is a storage slash washer and dryer unit that you can put and plug it in there. And I see you can tell like I have like lights wrapped around the railing, and it's really nice outside when it's dark. Also the pole from the balcony, I wrapped it with the red ribbon, and it looked like a candy cane. So that's basically it. And I have like two big frames of me and the kids and my parents in them. So yes. And then you go right here. Hi guys. I have a long mirror that's from IKEA, and the kids stuff from Christmas when they did it at church. That's from Marshall's, I think. I don't know where my parents got that from. And I have like little Christmas knickknacks here from for my kids and stuff. And the little stocking, I filled it up. Mine is empty, don't mind that. Yeah. Okay, the dining set. Okay, the chairs, all these silver, not silver, clear chairs are from IKEA. Table is from Walmart. Yes. Trash can from Target. And I have the kids' gifts, like right there, because it matches with my Christmas light tree thing. Okay. On to the kitchen. It's basically like, you know, I'm trying to, oh, there it is, magic.
Magic?
Okay, Jojo's here. Alright, I got like bottles of wine and some stuff there. Fridge. Don't ask why I have a microwave on top of my fridge. It's because I don't have enough counter space. So I was like trying to think where I should put it, and it doesn't fit right here. Like I make my coffee every day right here, and so I'm like, okay, I'll just put it up on top of the fridge. Even though I'm short, I have a stool anyway. So that's it. There are cereal boxes in there, just to let you guys know. In my pantry and my fridge, I have a lot of snacks. So if you're ever here, I have a lot of snacks. I have a half gallon of rice there. You can mix yourself some hot chocolate and stuff. You know, it can do. Dishes are made, just to let you know. That's basically it for the kitchen. And Jojo's in there getting a snack. Get out of there. Fire extinguisher, just in case the apartment get caught on fire. I also put this little ribbon on the cabinet because it turned out so cute. Even though I don't have white cabinets, this will do. And I put like little bows on the small ones, except for those ones, and it turned out so cute. This is my spice cabinet. If you guys want to be nosy, this is my spice cabinet. So whatever you guys feel like cooking, I got it all here. Okay, out to the kitchen. This way. To my left is the bathroom. I am gonna flip the switch here. Whew, okay, alright. The bathroom. I have Josiah's potty training toilet right here. This bottom cabinet is basically female stuff right here, and some sunscreen, towels, and pull-ups. I'm trying to get rid of those, and I'm gonna give it to my boss because she's pregnant, and I'm gonna see if she wants it. Top cabinet is just like medicine and like medicine stuff right there, and my eyelashes, contact lenses, what is that called? Febreze plug-in things. What is that called? To wipe your butt. The wipes, and some toilet stuff up there. And to the bathroom, this is basically it. I'm packing that up for a road trip, and I'm gonna put the toothbrush and stuff in there because that will be the last thing that I need to pack. This is the restroom. I need to put that down. Don't you guys worry, I will put it down. I have boys, okay? Laundry basket, my hair and the kids' bath toys and hair supply stuff right here, perfumes, body lotion, hair, body wash, hair stuff. This is basically it. That's the kids' hair stuff and body wash, and that is mine up there. And that's basically it. Alright, across, turn off the light. is the kids' room. This is basically it. Their little book thing right here, Josiah's table, his bed, their couch, just Manny's bed, and their stuffies, kid toy chest, and knickknack, more stuff, TV. I'm surprised it's clean for now. And then this is the closet. We're not gonna get into that. This door is the closet. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this apartment tour. I know it's not luxury that a lot of people would think people would live in their home. So I hope you guys have a very blessed Christmas and Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.